Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install the GPS module or antenna for our Mangoal Dashcam that we've installed previously on our Toyota RAV4. So come on, let's check it out. Alright, so for this one, again, this is for the Mangoal Dashcam. So let's see what we have here. This should be an easy install, straightforward install. We just need to plug it in and then route the GPS antenna to the proper location. So it comes with a small user manual in here. So again, because it's very easy to install, this is all you have, basically where to put it. Okay, so they actually says in here that the GPS logo should be facing up, okay, so that we'll have better GPS signal, okay, because what I've done before, okay, which is the wrong one, is I always stick it by the windshield, so it's gonna be facing down. All right, that's what I did before on my previous GPS stuff, like on my Android head unit. So, but now with my Android head unit, I'm using the factory GPS now on that one. So for this one, we're just gonna install this. Easy plug and play. So you just have to plug this to the GPS cord that is pre-wired on our dash cam, and then we just have to route this properly. I think I'm just gonna put this one out somewhere in the dash just to keep it clean. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the corner on the dash. All right, so to install the GPS antenna, all we need to do is basically get the cable that's running from the dash cam. Okay, now we just need to insert this and plug it in to the actual antenna. Okay, there you go. And then we just need to hide it. Okay, now we just need to slide this back. Okay, make sure that you clear the wire. Then we just need to run this to the headliner going to the dash, and I'll show you where I'm gonna install it. Okay, so I'm planning to install this one in here. Okay, so the wire or the cable will run here on the side, so we'll have a clean setup here. Okay, so just like that, I'm just gonna stick that in there. So it's still gonna be facing up, so the cable is kind of tucked in there. Then this will run up to the A pillar going to the dash cam. All right, and I'll show you how it looks like later once I'm done. All right, so I ended up putting in the GPS in here. Haven't stick it yet, but yeah, so that's where it's gonna be placed. All right, so once this is placed in here, it's facing up and it's not really gonna be an eyesore. So again, it's black, it's gonna mix in to the dash, which is black also. So I think that's a clean install for me. So I routed the wire here, okay, and I just stuck it in under this A pillar. Okay, so again, very easy install. Now we're gonna check how it looks like on the app.